DevOps can do wonders for your business. In this video, we will share everything you need to know about DevOps fueling innovation and growth for enterprises. Speed and efficiency. DevOps allows organizations to release software updates and new features faster than ever by automating manual tasks and processes. Continuous integration and deployment. C/CDC ensures that code changes are regularly integrated and tested, while CD automates the deployment. DevOps encourages improved collaboration between development and operations teams. Teams are encouraged to take risks, try new ideas, and learn from failures, which is a crucial driver of innovation. Customer-centric approach. Businesses can better meet customer needs and preferences by continuously gathering feedback and rapidly improving. DevOps helps by enabling the efficient scaling of infrastructure and applications. DevOps practices include security measures from the start, reducing vulnerabilities, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Businesses can significantly reduce operational costs by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing resource usage. DevOps empowers enterprises to innovate, grow, and stay competitive in today's digital landscape. Value Coders has a team of experts to help you implement DevOps successfully. Connect with our experts,